How do they do this? The rotating motion of an engine's crankshaft is transmitted to the wheels by the drive shaft. The gearbox changes the number of rotations of the driven wheels during one turn of the crankshaft. In low gear, the output of the engine is high, but the speed is low. In high gear, the car is faster and uses less fuel, but accelerates more slowly. The most common type of engine used in cars is the 4-stroke Otto engine. It converts the alternating vertical motion of the pistons into the rotation of the crankshaft. The crankshaft drives the drive shaft and the camshaft through the timing belt. The camshaft operates the valves which ensure fuel intake and the expulsion of exhaust gases through a coordinated rhythmic opening and closing. The first stroke is intake. The piston moves downwards, decreasing the pressure in the cylinder. The intake valve opens and a mixture of air and fuel flows